If you are using Omicron software, first you have to see system settings. Over system settings, when you click, you can able to see the default value. The default value generally will be having 100 and current value will be 5 amp and frequency will be 60 Hz. When you have a default value like this, when you open a quick CMC, when quick CMC open with this default settings, the value we get here is 60 Hz due to our default value. And when you go for right clicking for normal value of voltage, you will get only 100 voltage. Similarly for current, you will get 5 amps. When the setting in default, we cannot able to test very quickly, or we cannot able to inject voltage and current very quickly, because you have to go for changing the frequency and you have to change the voltage according to the secondary voltage, because our secondary voltage normally would be 110. For phase 2 neutral we have to make 63.5, and the current you have to make it as 1. We have to type it every time when you open. So this will not be very easy and user friendly for us. So now to make it very easy, you can change this value, default value, into our system value. Our system value is 110 and current is 1 amp and frequency is 50 Hz. If you want, you can change the voltage into maximum 400 voltage. After changing my system settings, we can able to see in quick CMC. See here the frequency is changed, and if I go for nominal value it is coming 63.5. If I go for nominal current, it is coming 1 amps. So now it will be easy for us to test. When we are doing our testing, if our voltage is getting short or our current getting open, we may not know it is happening. Only the red indication over the monitoring will show. But if you are busy in our work, seeing the values, or if you busy in seeing the monitoring the value, we will miss this overload indication. In order to avoid this, there is one special option available in system setting, sound settings. When you click the overload sound, you can use a test in your sound, or you can choose your own sound, and you can make a beep sound. When you enable this sound, if your kit get overload, we can able to stop the kit by hearing this sound. This may be useful while we are testing. This is a few things we have to see when you going to use your Omicron kit. If you think it is useful for your friends, you can share this video to them. Thank you for watching this video.